time! Come back here! Stop escaping! Anyone for... Stop it! It tickles! Nice ears, T. Troublesome little pen.
Grab it! It's getting away!
No!
Where's it gone?
Not in there. There! It's escaped! Tricky little pen. We need a trap. Everyone, join me.
Pet! Good dog. Get the pen. Go on, go for the pen.
No! Need to try something else. I was hoping to find a place for a nice cup of tea.
Oh!
Somewhere with a view.
Oh! Perhaps I can help. Oh! Top! Perfect! Oh!
Be careful.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Typical. Now we're stuck.
I'm not. I'm popping off.
Oh.
Oh! Ah!
F. Huh? What's going on?
I know. What is it then? Don't know. Oh! Oh!
T's stuck on top of a mountain?
Oh! I know! T is stuck on top of a mountain.
T needs help. Vowels to the rescue!
A-E-I-O-U.
Vowels know what to do. U-E-A-I-O. Rescue T, off we go!
Isn't that? S-A. Sat. So, now that we've all sat down, what shall we do?
Tea. Cup of tea. Typical.
So, sorry, sagging again. Hi S, hi A, hi T.
Hi, P.
Just thought I'd pop by and say hi. Sorry, not really in a silly mood today. Pals, we must do something for S. Pat.
I'm late.
Hello, T. You're in a hurry?
Too true, H. I've been invited to a tip-top tea party. Look. Do you think I look tip-top?
How about a new... I just dropped in. Hat. How about that?
A tip-top top hat. Time I was off. Toodle-pip. Teedly-um-tum-tum-tum-tum.
Fantastic hat, T.
Not really. Time flies. Off to a tea party.
I just dropped in. Again. Fan. Fantastic! Amazing!
It's a tempest! Stop that hat! Tally ho! Terrific fun!
Incredible! I like being in.
Not bad. But what are we in?
It's a... What is it?
Terrific. We're trapped.
Need any help?
Nod.
I don't think so, P. I got us in. I can get us out.
Tin.
A tin of peas. My favourite. Perfect.
Tip-top tipping.
Come on.
T, did you see the gingerbread man?
The gingerbread man? Time for you-know-what. Mat.
Magic Mat! Marvellous! Catch the gingerbread man! Zoom!
You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Don't eat the mat!
Total tomfoolery.
I just popped in. Hold hands. Map. What use is a map?
Terrific touchdown.
Let's take a peek. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
What's the trouble? Don't have any drums. Deflated.
We'll soon sort that out.
Sat. I've sat down. Now I just need some drums. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yes!
I want to.
P first, please.
Pat. Pat a cake, baker's man.
Bake me a cake as fast.
Oh, I want to drum, not pat. Pad.
A pad of paper. Perfect.
What have we got here? Terrific. Hello, G. Hello, O.
Hello, T. Oh.
Hello, P.
Pretty. Oh.
Pot.
Gosh. Good grief.
Great! Guess what's going to grow? Oh! 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 Pod! Oh! Oh! G.
5 little peas in a pea pod pressed.
1 grew, 2 grew, and so did all the rest. They grew, and they grew, and they did not stop.
This is Fred. He's my new friend.
Cup of tea, Mr. Fred?
Where are you from, Fred? What? I think he wants to go home.
But he's trapped.
I could fly Fred home. It'll be fun. Forward to the furthest frontiers of space.
They're too heavy.
Feeling faint. Oh, gosh. I've failed. But I'm not finished. Fear not, Fred. We'll... Oh!
Caught.
Okay.
Kit. You need a football kit.
Cool.
Kid. All right, kid. You keep score. Kick off.
Can. Cat. Cat. Cute cat.
Yeah, Tiddles.
Amazing.
Yeah, Tiddles.
Adorable. She's so affectionate. Achoo! Achoo! Crumbs.
Total tomfoolery.
The cat is making me sneeze. I'm allergic to cats. Achoo! Oh! Help me get away from the cat.
What's all that din? Can I join in?
Miss!
We missed it!
turn the tap off.
Funny. There is no tap.
Uh-oh.
Need to turn it off.
What happened?
Well, we got ill, made a hill, rolled, fell, found a doll, hit a bell, made a mess, gave it a miss, had a kiss, saw that stuff, turned it off. But all's well that ends well.
Terrific.
Cup, 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 just one cup for me. Cup, 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 a lovely cup of
Tea.
Oh,
Poor you. Perhaps if I pop over here as well.
oh.
pop. Pop, 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 puppy flying by. Pop, 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 pop.
Oh, I don't want a pup. I don't want a cup. And I don't want to be up. I just want to get back down.
Oh, poor you.
Oh, oh, oh.
Down, 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 we are falling down. Down, 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 down,
Dropping to the ground.
Crumbs.
Disaster. Terrible.
We'll help you find Ice Dot.
Cod.
I am a fish tank. No, I'm not. I want my dot.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
Cod.
Kiki goo goo gaga. I don't belong in a cot. I want my dot.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
Pot.
I am a
I am tea. At. Look at that.
Mmm. I am
a.
Mat. Look at that. It is a mat, a mat, a mat, a mat. The mat is flat.
I am C.
A.
Cat. Look at that.
It is a cat, a cat, a cat, a cat. The cat sat on the mat. I am R.
A.
Rat. Look at that. It is a rat, a rat, a rat, a rat. The rat went rat-a-tat-tat, 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 and the cat. It's too hot.
Mr. Snowman is melting.
Need to get him somewhere cold. No!
A.
Fan. A will keep him cool.
No! It's blowing him away! No fan! No fan! Tan! No! That's not better! That's worse! Van!
An ice cream van! Cool!
Very, very cool! We can keep the snowman frozen while we drive him somewhere cold.
We're going where it's snowing. Excitement's quickly growing. We can have fun without the sun and keep on ho-ho-hoing.
This is...
It's hot, said Adrian.
Oh, carefully!
The bread smelled good. Nice, he said. Now who will help me eat this bread? I will, said the dog. I will, said the cat. I will, said the pig. Fancy that! Out came the words. No way! Not you lot. No chance. Not today. I'll only share it with my friends.
And this is where our story ends.
No, not enough,
Said the little red N. Then he had an idea.
Let's make it 10. 10.
And that's the story of the little red hen who likes to say
no
every now and then. But he's learned a new word, can you guess? The little red hen can now say...
Yes! Yes to the dog. Yes to the cat. Yes to the pig.
Well, fancy that!
Animals, especially jaybirds. Let me check your wings. Now, close your eyes. Jet.
Jumping Jumbos! Is it a flying machine?
Your very own jet.
Jump aboard, everyone! Are you coming, V?
Race you!
Hey, Jay, you're on your way, Jay, to the moon and the Milky Way, Jay. What a day, you found a way to fly. We didn't think that we could do it, and now you're soaring through the sky. Now we've found a way for Jay to fly. Now we've found a way for Jay to fly.
When does it start?
22 minutes, 12 tedious seconds ago.
This is it? Good grief. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bow.
Do.
Hey, guys, why so down in the dumps?
Some party? Ah! Oops! Say, let's get this party started.
Sag.
Ah!
G.
I'll soon sort this out.
Don't despair. Dee can do it.
Sad.
Ugh. We need someone who can get this party going.
Someone exciting.
Definitely. Did somebody say exciting?
It's a big event tonight, T. Have SH got the brains to beat the champs?
It's too early to tell, Bee. Let's see how this first round turns out.
Oh! Shop! Fish bash bosh!
Terrific technique. Will CH be able to top that?
Charge!
round goes to CH. Time now for round 2. The trick with this event is not to look down.
Chip! Breathtaking! CH bounced off the board and landed brilliantly! Ship!
What a turnaround!
The bell on your bike can be as shiny as you like, but with us, it can go ting!
Ting-a-ling-a-ling.
If you want to be the king, if you want your bell to ting, you have to agree you're going to need engine. You can shake that thing if you want it to ring, but with us, it can go ping! The thing that goes ping! The bells in the tower can chime on the hour. With us, they can go ding!
Ding, ding. Try again.
If it all goes wrong in the middle of a song, with us, they can go dong!
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
If you want the thing to ping, if you want the bells to ding dong ding, you have to agree you're going to need NG.
The thing that goes ping with me can go
Pong!
ping,
Pong!
ping,
Pong!
ping pong. I will win.
Ah! Tap!
Oh! Oh!
Bug!
Oh!
Oh!
Mop.
Hen.
I'm exhausted just watching this.
I can win. I will win. I can win. I will win. I can't win. I won't win.
No! No giving up, no! We'll help you,
They can do it.
Ding!
Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding.
I will win. Ripping our den.
Next!
A thing is a thing with a wheel and a spring, a thread you can pull and a bell you can ring. There's a button to press with your thumb or your thigh, 3 levers to push, go on, give them a try. There's a clock on the top with a switch underneath, which releases a string and a pair of false teeth. It's got these, it's got those, and a third over there. Don't touch the fork, it will give you a scare. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's got width, it's got breadth, it's got length, it's got height, it's got wings that hold out for when it's in flight. From the north to the south, to the east to the west, a thing is a thing that can do things the best. It can do this, or it can do that. It can be thick, or it can be flat. It'll have to be thin to get it through there. But if it won't, let's see. Ticket, toothbrush, teapot, teacup, 10 tea bags, tip-top. I'm ready for the trip.
I love holidays. They're so relaxing.
Are we nearly there yet?
No, Anne. We haven't even left.
Ready to raise anchor, shipmates?
I am. Is anyone missing?
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, take cover!
I do wish you wouldn't do that, eh? It's not funny. Hey! That was painful.
Right, time to hit the road.
Transport! I forgot to arrange transport.
Are we nearly there yet?
No.
Not to worry. We'll just have to make something.
Hey! Oh,
Rail. A railway.
Tremendous tracks. We'll
let's jump high.
I.
Only I can say I. I-G-H-I. No! I am I. I say I.
Total tomfoolery. Time for T times 2.
I.
Tight. Tight? That's not very tight. That's tight. It's a tight rope. We're on a tightrope.
No way!
What's everyone doing up there?
No!
Net. Tent.
I want to get down.
Total tomfoolery. Don't you dare! Stop eating everything, Em! Time for you-know-what.
Oh!
Toad!
Magnificent! Mine.
My teacup! My teapot! Don't you dare!
Oh!
Mine!
Goodness, what's that noise? That's a funny frog.
A lovely toad, not a frog. Cracking croak.
Good grief!
Toad has a terrible tongue.
Stop eating everything, Toad!
Time for you-know-what.
Come on, T.
Let's surf!
Fabulous.
Totally terrific surfing, dudes. Can I try?
Turf.
Truly terrible. We've hit the turf.
Our turn to fly!
Come on.
Don't give up.
Cord!
Not again.
Corn!
Hopping.
Corn! It's popcorn!
That hurt. Got to get to the end.